Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a nice fresh face because we are doing an unboxing of the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette by MORPHE, Swatches, and a makeup look. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Using the law of attraction.
It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah, it's a vibe, it's a hop in the ride, no suicide, yeah, yeah, slow it down, dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you liked me, go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
You were meant tonight, yeah, don't wanna fight, ooh, that ain't the fight.
Yay! So I got the package immediately when I saw that it was on the MORPHE website. I ordered it. I got it in yesterday, but I was busy working, so we are going to open it up today. Ah. Bubble wrap. Oh, I see him. I see him. And just more bubble wrap. Ah! Here it is. James Charles MORPHE Sister Palette. Yes! So it shows his face on the front. And it has his little signature. And on the back is his little monologue. Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist. James Charles. Oh, that was so heartwarming. Let's open it. Now there's been some controversy about these swatches, so we're gonna be super duper honest since I had to spend my own coin. Okay, we got our bubble wrap. Ooh, yes. Look at that reflect. Ooh, wait, my fingerprints. Oh, look at that reflection. Ooh, look at this. All right, I'm gonna read off each shade and swatch them. Okay, so first color we're going in with is called Canvas. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Next color we're going in with is called Ring Light. Ooh, that's sickening. Ooh, yes. The next color we're going in is called So Good. Ooh, okay, that's cute. It's cute, a little subtle. But the next one is 518. So that's what 518 looks like. Ready? Ooh, I love that. Color we're going into is called Rusted. I love that color. Ooh. Okay, that's a really good color for my skin tone, like as a transition shade. I love using oranges and reds and yellows. Ooh. Okay, so it looks like they stain a little bit, but that's okay because they're pigmented. What we're going into is called Halloween. Oh, I love the rusted copper shades. I'm obsessed with that. Yes! Oh my god, do you see that? Alright, we're going into Wig. So there's Wig. Wig! Now we're digging into some tea. So tea is like a nice matte brown shade. Cool tone. Ooh. So tea was alright. Tea was cute. Alright, now we're going into Punch Me. It's a nice camel brown. Wow, that like matches my skin color. I don't even know if you could see that. But it looks like a good transition shade for lighter skin tones, but that's just my skin tone. Alright, we're diving into Sister, which is his infamous catchphrase. Aw, so that's like a nice soft pink shimmer. So cute. Alright, now we're going into Mary. Oh my god, that's such a pretty color. Perfect rose shade. Next up is Literally. There's Literally. It's cute. It's cute. I mean, not really a color I would wear, but I mean, it's cute. This palette's very universal. I'm seeing lots of amazing colors that I can make use of. The next shade we're going into that I'm super excited about is a pure red color. It's called You're Kidding. And as you may know, reds are really hard eyeshadows to make, so lots of palettes don't have red eyeshadows. So I want to see You're kidding! Oh my god! Look how good that is! I'm not oh my god! Now we're diving deep into Shook, which is a nice cranberry looking shimmer. Beautiful. Just stunning. That's a good Christmas look right there. All right, now we're going into Boutique. Oop. I did that a little close to the other color, but there's Boutique, and these actually look really good together. So far, I'm thoroughly impressed. Alright, so the darker shades are the ones that people were saying like having a conspiracy about. So let's dive deep into Benny. Here's Benny here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Alright, now we're going into the bigger colors of the palette. Flashback. Flashback. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Well, he did say that some of them need to be layered, so let's try again. I mean, they're buildable. Yeah, there's a third swatch right there. Yeah, they're buildable. What we're going into is called Face. Looks like a nice white gold color. Ooh. Ooh, I love that color. Now we're going into the color Tune, which looks like a nice little yellow eggy color, egg cream color. Ooh. Let's try again. Alright, so after building it up, it did show up much better. So yeah. But it's not about the swatches, it's about how it performs on the face. So let's not forget that. Next shade we're going into is called Code James. I love this color. It's a beautiful warm tone brown, and it kind of looks like it has orange tint in it. Oh, look how pigmented this color is. Like, I would buy this whole palette alone just for this one color. Like, it looks amazing. After that, we're going 10% off. Ooh! After that, we're going into No Beans. Love that color. And then this is the one everyone's throwing conspiracies about. It's called Spooky. So far, she's looking good. So let's see. I cannot wait to create a look. Gotta hurry with these swatches so I can make a look. Alright, now we're on the second to last row. We're going into this amazing yellow color, and it's called B. And as you guys may know, yellow is another very hard color to make. Yellow doesn't show up that great on me because I'm brown. So hopefully this does the trick. That's what it looks like. Okay, ready? B. Ew. Okay, let's try again. A second. Yeah, see, I don't like this yellow because look, it's kind of chalky, and it's like if you were to blend it in, it would disappear. Like, look. Maybe with an eyeshadow base it'll work better. I don't know. I'm just saying it did not swatch well. Next color we're going into is called Guac. Ooh, I love that color. After that is Hello. Ooh. Hello. Playground, which is a beautiful, beautiful blue. Okay, she's cute. Okay, now we're going into the color Brother, which I'm super excited about because it's a really pretty, like, lavender blue is the best way to describe it. Yeah, she's cute, but she needs another double dip. Some of these do need like 2 swatches, not gonna lie. but oh, the next one I'm going into is Artistry, which is a very glittery color. So there's Artistry, and we're gonna swatch her. She already looks good. Ooh! Ooh, look at that reflect of the little blue in there. I like it. We're going into Love That, which I say all the time. Ooh. Next, we're going into Pinkity Drinkity. Not a fan. Right now we're finally getting into the bottom row. We're going on the color Social Blade, which is a really pretty lime green. She's cute, she's cute. Let's do another one. She looks even better. See, these just need some layering, that's all. And we gotta layer them on the eyes anyway, so. We're going into Daddy. Ooh. I really like this green. This is a nice dark forest green. I adore that. It's Cape Cod. Which is this like a teal color. Like the heel. Maybe I swatched that weird. Hold on. Let me try again. Yeah, I just swatched it weird. Here you go. After this is the color Cola. So I did not like that swatch at all. Now we're going into Acapella. Okay, I love this blue already. Ooh, magical. Is Escape. Now we're going into Single. And last but not least is Skip. Ooh. Try again. Oh. Okay. So there's Skip. Okay, that's all the colors. Now let's get into this makeup look.